Hey, what's up? It's Mr. J with SciOnTheFly, the place where learning makes sense. Are you a student who's recently been given the task to come up with a state project, but you don't know what to do, where to go, or how to get started? If so, I'm here to help. Now, I'm not going to do this project for you, but I do want to give you enough information to help get that ball rolling so you can take it, run with it, and do a great job on it. I have a state report graphic organizer that I have for sale on my Teacher Pay Teacher website. If you think that might be something you want or need, I'm going to put a direct link for it in the comment section down below. Now, this video is specifically tailored for students who are doing their project on the state of Indiana. Now, Indiana became the 19th state to join the Union on December 11, 1816. The original governor was a guy named Jonathan Jennings. We know today that the capital of Indiana is Indianapolis, but that wasn't always the case. Indiana's original capital was a place called Corydon. The state flag consists of a navy blue background with a gold torch in the center surrounded by gold stars. The gold torch represents liberty and enlightenment, while the outer circle of stars represents the original 13 states. The other 5 inner stars represent the following 5 states. The largest of the stars represents Indiana. The state bird is the cardinal, the state tree is the tulip tree, the state flower is the peony, the state nickname is the Hoosier State, and the state motto is the Crossroads of America. Now, hopefully this is enough information to help get that ball rolling, take it, run with it, and do a great job on it. You got this! Until next time, it's Mr. J with SciOnTheFly, the place where learning makes sense.